Babies. Part 1. Froggy,
Boba Slush,
and Kawaii Rock Candy.
First, we're going to start with Kawaii Boba Slush. We're rating these out of 10.
Why don't we split it in half? Ooh, look at the charm. Let's try the pour or the dip or whatever it's called. Okay. And the ASMR. Doesn't have the best bubbles pops.
I want to try something. Yeah, not the best bubble pops. So
But
let's rate this like a
I would rate it as 6 or 7.
6 or 7, yeah.
Okay.
6, 7, or 5.
It smells okay.
It's okay, yeah.
It's not the best scent ever.
Yeah.
And if you show it in a container, it only comes like halfway. So they didn't fill it up too far.
But we're not going to make a complaint because we love their small business so much. Okay, Kawaii Rock Candy's next?
Yeah.
Kawaii Rock Candy.
Charms are cute.
There's like these little stars. There's a green star, blue star, and purple star.
And a bear.
This little gummy bear. This one comes pretty full. It's like kind of like not bingsu, but like I don't know what the texture is.
I think it's a bingsu.
It is?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think those are bingsus, yeah. And
ooh, I had that good bubble right there.
it smells good too.
It smells very good.
And it's a good ASMR.
Your turn.
And the pour. Okay, it's not the best for pours. Why? Well, yeah, it smells really good too. I don't think they have this one in the slime shop anymore. I think they got rid of it.
Don't they restock today at 6?
Yeah, they do.
7 o'clock EST time, I think. It's good. Yeah, I like this slime. I like the little shimmers in it too.
And it smells really good.
Yeah. Okay. What ones are next?
Let's do these two.
Next, we have blue raspberry lemonade and
And
fruit
cake.
What are we starting with? What do you think we're going to start with, guys?
Which one do you think is which?
No, pick one. Get one out. Blue raspberry lemonade is blue, and floof cake is like brown. Ready? It was blue raspberry lemonade. Did you guess it? If you did, subscribe. If you didn't, like. There's the cute little lemonade charms.
There's cute little lemonade charms in it, and it's pretty full, I would say. Yeah. So, okay, you do not need to do that.
This pours.
This pours really good, and it smells pretty good too.
It smells like blue raspberry lemonade.
It smells good. If you like lemonade.
And blue raspberries. It mostly smells like blue raspberries, but.
Is there such thing as blue raspberries?
Yeah?
There is?
I don't know.
There.
Comment if you think they're real. I like these ASMR bubble pops too. Let's try one. hold that down.
This is a weird tray.
That was good. That's not how you do it.
I know. I just like spider webs.
Let's do that
It's
again.
not the best like bubbles, like to make bubbles with.
Yeah, it kind of pops. But overall, I would rate it like a... Oh, we forgot to rate the gummy bear one.
Oh, gummy bear one.
I think we're like 8.
Yeah, 8. Yeah, I would say.
8 or 9.
It's
8
white
and a
rock candy, not gummy bears.
Oh, sorry.
8 or 9. Yeah, I would say 9 though. I mean, probably.
I think it's closer to
8
9.
and a half.
Yeah, 8.5. I like this one probably like a...
I would say
Eight.
this one's
Solid
an 8.
8.
Yeah.
Okay. Next one is floof cake, right?
Yes. Okay. That's not floof cake.
Yeah, it is. Oh. Where's floof cake?
This is floof cake.
I like its label. It's really pretty.
And
But
this...
no, it's even prettier. Some mac and cheese.
This one is not full at all, actually. They could have filled it up a lot more. And yeah.
Ooh, I like the sprinkles in it. Kind of.
The sprinkles kind of go everywhere if you're like playing with them like a lot. So it gets kind of messy. See? Like if you try to stretch it so all the sprinkles will come out. It smells really good too.
Yeah.
And
What color was it before we mixed it?
it was a rainbow. It was like a bunch of pastel rainbows.
Oh, cool.
Pastel, sorry. That was a phone, guys.
Oh, peanut butter.
Like, listen,
Did you see that?
That bubble was cool. Like, listen to this.
It's not a phone ASMR right now. It's slime. Yeah, this one's overall pretty good. I would rate it like 5 maybe. Maybe 6.
I would say 7 or 8.
I would say 5 or 6. Closer to 6. No, 6.5.
Because of how low it is and like how small it came, I would put that down put it down a point, but I would say 7 or 8, yeah.
I would say 6.5.
Yeah.
Okay. The next ones we have is Kitty Ice Pop, Baby Axolotl, and Aurora Jelly Cube. Now this Jelly Cube slime, we already popped all the Jelly Cubes, and it kind of, the label kind of came ripped. So, baby, please don't this happen.
I feel like we're missing a slime.
We're not.
Because if we had 2, 2, 3.
Yeah, we're not missing one.
Oh, okay.
Okay, we're gonna start
Wait,
with.
no.
We're gonna start with the worst one we have
Which
in this
is
group is Aurora Jelly Cube. It's
See, like the sprinkles are going everywhere, so. Okay.
stretch it together. I mean, yeah, we popped all the jelly cubes, so now it's kind of.
But it sounds really good.
It sounds
It makes
good, too.
bubbles. I mean, not like bubbles you can like put on like a tray or something, but
Let's try to make a bubble.
no,
No.
it's not gonna work. So yeah, just
Make spider web bubbles.
then it makes a really nice noise. It smells pretty good. It's not the best.
It's not
smell.
like the smell wears down too.
Yeah, the smell weird.
Like when you first open it, it went. But then.
But then yeah, it kind of came out pretty quickly. Not just smells like glue.
We could add scent to it though.
Yeah, we can.
Cause then you could. Okay, put this back in the container.
And then
5.
we lost the charms to this one, so
5. I would say that one's a 5.
I would say this is a 4 or 5. It's not the best.
We rate this a 5 or 4.
5 or 4 or 5. Then
Next we have Kitty Ice Pop.
I think this might be my favorite.
Yeah.
I really like Kitty Ice Pop.
Comes with this cute little cat charm. There was one more charm that said there wasn't, but ours didn't come with it. So maybe the charmers forgot or something.
I don't think there's such thing as a charmer.
It's kind of.
So see, like in the container.
Yeah.
Also, it literally says there's 2 charms.
Angel
so-
and Goth. There was a black one, I thought. Wait, stretch it.
Wait. Never mind. Stretch is really good. Scent is nice.
Yeah, I like the scent.
And if it's in the container, it's almost to the very top. So, nice container full of slime.
Let's try to make a bubble.
Oh.
Spider web. Enjoy this ASMR by Cassidy.
Yeah, the pour is really, really nice. Not the mac and cheese. I don't think mac and cheese pour is satisfying. As satisfying as maybe it satisfies in your mouth, but not as pours. It smells good though. Yeah.
Okay, now let's try.
I would give this one a 9.
9, yeah. Solid 9. It's pretty good.
I like it. Just
Now,
I would have gave it a 10 if it came with a charm.
yeah. Now, baby axolotl. This one did not come full.
At
Like, it
all.
only, it was here and then it shrunk. But
It did not come full at all.
this one I feel like will have really good ASMR. There's a cute little
It's kind of
baby
stiff.
axolotl charm. But
I
look at this.
think
Okay, now let's do an ASMR for this one. Enjoy this ASMR by Cassidy and Emma.
It sounds really good.
Yeah.
The scent's okay.
Yeah, the scent's not too strong, but it's not like strong enough. You know?
But I don't. I mean, I do because I'm smelling it. But yeah.
I wish you guys could smell the Froggy Boba one and the Kitty Ice Pop one. They smell so good. And Blue Raspberry Lemonade.
And Fluff Cake and Kawaii Rocket. So, yeah. This one, yeah.
8.
I would give this a 7 or 8. Probably 7.5.
Yeah, 7.5.
It's kind of stiff. It feels really stiff, like if you feel it drop. Okay, that was not loud, but okay, that's actually really bright. It's like stiff, like
Boom. Transition.
Like-
Boom. Oopsie.
you would go like. It's not like easy to hit, like
Okay, now do you want to see the extras?
like just look. Just feel like it sounds like wiggly, and that one just sounds like a hard brick. This one just like
But this one has I don't know what to say. I only know is this kind of is like the Easter Bunny, the green Easter Bunny one that May has. You don't know her.
okay. So yeah, May.
Maeve.
Anyway, where's the cap for this one? Yeah.
I think these are overall pretty good slimes.
So let's put in order which ones I think is best and worst. I think these two might be the best.
Put them worst to.
Okay, so worst.
We'll try to reveal what our answers said.
Okay, you guys guess in the comments. Guess which one. Comment.
Well,
down,
we'll show you in like a couple seconds.
comment down below which ones you thought were the best and which ones were the worst. Okay, so yeah. Then I think this one.
But I think these two are tied. These two.
Those two.
Yeah.
Should put this one.
Yeah, I like that. That's good.
And
Okay,
then,
so this is the top 4, the top 3.
then I think this one.
Yeah. Number 5.
Then let's put it here so it will go down. Then this
5.
one.
Can I retie these?
And then those two are ties.
Tell us what you think one's better.
Honestly, I
I like this
think
one.
this one's better. Honestly.
But they're I like this one would have a 10, but this one is good because it came with the charms.
This
But-
one didn't.
Yeah.
I wish I would have put like some sort of blue like charm in there. You know?
Yeah.
So.
So tell us what you guys thought down there. Oh yeah, we didn't show you these. It's Aurora Jelly Cube.
So these.
Froggy Boba Slush. Baby Axolotl.
Actually,
Floof Cake.
I want to change this. In my opinion, I think Baby
Axolotl's there, and then
yeah.
it's. I love
Froggy
icy
Boba
slimes.
Slush.
I love icy slime so much.
So yeah.
Sorry about my crusty, musty nails. Wanna?
I don't know if you can tell, but she's sticking out her tongue right now. So. Yeah. I mean,
Aesthetic tongue. Okay, bye guys.
that was.
Oh, we didn't show the bracelets. We have this bracelet that said slime in the mood. Slime in the mood. Then we have like this Peachybbies logo sticker.
You know, and then like we got a lot of stuff. So yeah.
Mochi.
Then this isn't even all of it. So
Yeah, and this other mochi. So
wiggly, wiggly, wiggly. One.
we got this other mochi, but in a different order, and it was like an elephant, and it was like its trunk was like squished.
Then we got, we got it. Also got a carrot mochi. So
Yeah.
I was hoping it was a pineapple, but it wasn't. So
It was a vegetable. And you guys, 10 ASMR. This is not from Peachybbies.
and phone case.
Aesthetic tongue.
Okay.
Okay, bye. Love you guys.